guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a cool effect that you can do on your text. So for this effect we are going to use one of the apps that is available in Canva called as Typecraft app, and we've already seen what it does, but that app we're going to use in order to create a very cool effect for our text. So first thing is I'm going to go over to create a design here, and I'm going to choose my canvas. Now a canvas can be of any size. Let's say we choose a presentation canvas here, which is of the aspect ratio 16:9. You can choose any different type of canvas. Now over here, the first thing that I'm going to look for is the elements here, and I'm going to look for a banana. So I'm going to go ahead and type in banana here, and you can see we have wide varieties of banana available. We'll go over to the graphics, and let's say so far we have different types of bananas, and let's say we like this banana. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and expand this a bit, and this is my banana that I have created. If you want to flip it, you can flip it horizontally, and this looks pretty cool. Onto this banana, the first thing that I'm going to do is going to add some text on it. So we'll go over to the apps here, and I will look for an app called Typecraft. So we'll go and look for Typecraft here. It is one word, Typecraft, and this is my app. Okay, onto this app I'm going to say banana. So I'm going to change the text to banana here, and the font I'm going to choose will be of the type Anton, so I can search for it and then go back here, and then the color that I'm going to choose is white color, and the hex code for white is F, 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 and F. This is the hex code for white, and this is my banana. Now what I'm going to do is we are going to extend these banana in this direction. Okay, you can see here I'm going to go ahead and extend it from both the sides and over here also. Okay, and I'm going to put this onto the design over here, and you can see here this fits it, but we have to increase the size of it a bit. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and expand it a bit here, expand it a bit here, and let's see if we can take it in this direction. Okay, banana, and I'm going to update the element, and this is how it looks like. Now this looks pretty cool so far, white color on a banana, and this is how it has. Now I'll go back here, and from the size I will try to increase the size from this A and A, update the element, and this N fits perfectly. Now you can move it around on this to fit on this banana. So this is one cool effect that you have, but we're going to enhance this one step more. So what I'll do is I'm going to duplicate this page, right click on it and do duplicate page over here, and this is the same page, the same banana that I've created, and onto this page I'll get rid of the banana here. So I'll click on delete, and I'm going to get rid of the banana. The text is available, so you can see here it is in white color, that's why you're not able to see it, but the text is available. If I change the color of the text to black, you are going to see it. But what we're going to do is we're going to add an element of the type. I'm going to go ahead and add a square, and we are going to put this on top of our text. Okay, I'm going to change the color of this to black, and now the text is behind this black box. So in order for me to arrange that, I'll go over to the position, and I'll go over to the layers. You can either do through this arrange, or you can also go to the layers, and on the layers you can see what is first layer, second layer, and third layer. So the black box is the first layer. I have to move banana before this. So what I'm going to do is I either going to move this up here, or I'll try to put the rectangle behind the banana. And you can see here now this is how the banana looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and this is my rectangle, and this is my banana. Okay, the text is here, then we have rectangle, and then you have this white background. So what I'll do is I'm going to share this and download this particular as an image. So right now it is set to as PDF standard. Make sure you change it to a PNG file, and we will download only the second page. So I'm going to go ahead and unselect this and only select the second page here, which has this black background and the text on it, and I'm going to do done. So I'm going to click on done and download. What it's going to do is it's going to download this image on my computer, and I'm going to save it over here and hit save. There's already an image with that name. I'm going to replace that image. Okay, so now you have two bananas over here. One is this and one is this. So now what I'll do is I'll duplicate this one more time, right click, duplicate it, and we will go over to this first one that we have. Now over here, the first thing is I'll get rid of this text here, and I will put the text, that the image that I just uploaded. So I'll go over to upload files, go over to downloads, and I will upload my banana image on top of it. So this is my banana image. I'm going to go ahead and put it on top of it. Make sure it covers the whole banana, and this is how it looks like. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to remove the background of this image. Okay, so first thing what we'll do, we'll go over, select this image and go over to edit image. Now the background of this image is white background, not the black, because black is just it on a little bit area, but the major background that we have is of this white. So we're going to go ahead and edit the image, and we'll do a BG remover. What's going to happen is it's trying to remove the background. Okay, so it removed the background. Now we will put the banana on top of this banana. But this black doesn't look cool, right? It doesn't give that effect that I was looking for. So we'll go ahead and edit the image one more time, and this time we will go over to the effects. And there is this effect called duotone. So we're going to go ahead and use this duotone effect here. And I'm going to use this effect called cherry, and I'll go over here and I'll change the highlights as well as the shadows to white. So I'm going to go ahead and select this color, and I'm going to change it to white. And enter. Okay, and I'll also change, go back again, go to the effects here and go to duotone effect and go over to the shadows, and I'm going to change this to white. And you can see here, the moment I'm changing it, it looks like this. This is my effect. Then what we're going to do is we are going to crop this image. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and crop this image like this. And similarly from this also we'll try to crop the image. And this is your banana looking. And you can see here, this looks pretty cool over here. This is your banana look. There's a banana, and then within it you're added this banana in it. So this is the effect I was talking about. We'll go ahead and hit the share, download this image. We'll go ahead and download this as a PNG file, and I'll download my which image, the number one image that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and just download that as a PNG file. All pages, no, I'm only interested in the first page, and then hit done and then download. Okay, and we are going to download this on our computer, and we'll call banana final design. Okay, and let's go over and let's open it up. And you can see here, this is the design you have. It's a very cool design which we created with the help of Typecraft app and added some cool effects on our text, and we are able to achieve something like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.